Overhauling of pressure switches. Pressure switches used in electrical locomotive for operate electrical switches that changes its contact state when the pneumatic pressure reaches a preset value. Pressure switches used in electrical locomotives different types are RGCP, RGEB, P1, P2 and SWC. Now we can see how overhauling procedure to be done for the pressure switches. Safety precaution: use wear safety gloves before starting overhauling. Required tools: these tools are used for overhauling the pressure switches. External inspection: external inspection to be carried out for cracks on the housing, damaged electrical terminals, oil contamination, corrosion, damaged pressure ports. Reject the switch if the body is cracked. Dismantling: clean the external dirt if any. Open the top cover carefully. Avoid damaging the sealing gasket. Components of pressure switches: pressure port, diaphragm, spring, plunger, micro switch, cover. Electrical terminals: guide knob, range adjustment spindle, differential roller. Internal inspection: thoroughly check for the diaphragm area for any crack, swelling, spring for corrosion, rust or any damage. Electrical contacts for carbon deposit, burning or pitting marks. After checking, thoroughly clean the switch with cleaning solution. Clean, use electrical contact cleaner. Calibrating procedure: the pneumatic test bench should have a master gauge and indication panel with yellow and red LED for calibrating the switch. The switch we have overhauled is a RGCP switch, which have to be setted in a cut-in cut-out value of 8 to 9.5 kg per centimeter square. Mount the pressure switch on the pneumatic calibration bench. Connect the test bench terminals in the pressure switch terminal as per NO, NC and common. Increase the pressure gradually. Observe the cut-in pressure, cut-out pressure in the LED. Check the differential pressure. Physically ensure the pressure switch operation while operating the pneumatic pressure. To adjust the differential pressure, rotate the differential roller and set the required value and tighten the locking screw as per SMI 231. To adjust the range, rotate the spindle and set the desired value for getting the cut-in and cut-out pressure. After calibrating, do not disturb the position of the guide knob or the spring retainer position. Do not disturb the spring connected between the micro switch and its operating lever. Do not over tight the differential locking screw. Do not try to interchange the component or dismantle the switch for maintenance purpose. Do not use pliers for adjusting the range adjusting spindle. Functional test. Operate the switch repeatedly for at least 20 to 50 pressure cycles. Ensure repeatable switching pressure, no sticking, stable operation and no air leakages. Final inspection. Seal the adjustment area with marking in the differential roller, locking screw and adjusting knob. After the calibration is over, cover the pressure switch carefully. After providing the cover, finally check the set value again to ensure the correct setting value. After completion of the calibration, cover the terminal with terminal cap and write the marking on the pressure switch and cover the pressure port with masking tape and now the switch is ready to mount in the locomotive.